Hi, I'm Kavita Radhan. In this video, I'll be talking about ColorFit Pro 3. It's a fitness smartwatch from the brand Noise. So let's get started. This fitness smartwatch is completely black in color and the touch and feel of the product is nice. It has a big display of 1.55 inches screen and which is touch screen. Along with the watch, you also get this charging cable, you get this warranty card and you get this user manual. Now this watch is 5 ATM waterproof, so even while swimming you wish to wear it, you can wear it, and while working out and all, if sweating and all happens, nothing will happen to your watch. It has 14 sports modes, so that means if you play tennis, badminton, you do cycling, skipping, whatever sports you do and you want to keep a track of your activity, how much you have been performing, everything you can keep a track of all the sports in the sports mode. Now there's a female health tracking also. Here you can monitor your stress and you can monitor your blood oxygen levels also. Now as I told you, it has a 1.55 inches color touch screen. The resolution it has is 320 into 360 pixels resolution, which gives a very bright display. Now the battery life it offers is 5 to 7 days. That means if you charge this fully at one go, then almost for about a week you don't have to recharge it. Now for charging, as far as charging is concerned, there is this charger you get and it has magnet in it. At the behind of the watch, when I press this, it simply gets attached to the magnet and then you can easily put the other end into an adapter or to your laptop, however you want to charge this. All in all, you can see the feel is nice. It has a big display. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It also comes with the charger along. It is waterproof, so while swimming or working out or sweating, nothing will happen to your watch, and it can work up to 5 to 7 days after charging, and you get 1.55 inches big display touchscreen. This was it in the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.